Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 17th of October, 2022. Look at Quant. Like, I'm gonna keep it real. This particular cryptocurrency, this particular market is massively bullish. And many people try to come in and say that the cryptocurrency space is going through a bear market. Not Quant. I mean, you guys can see it. We are in a very massive uptrend in Quant. Now, I did a video in Quant on October the 10th, and I didn't do a price prediction. I wanted us to see whether or not the buyers were going to come in and hold price right here. Now go back and listen to that video because I addressed this. I told you all that we needed to see the market in Quant come in and hold $145, and look at it right here on this particular day. Okay, then we're going to put on the daily chart. You guys can see on the 10th, which is right here, the market in Quant sustained price above $145, right? Look at this. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer. I want you all to see this, okay? Because this is actually like, bro, this is the holy grail of the cryptocurrency space. We need to learn how to break down what type of price action is going on. So right here, October the 11th, the market in Quant kept price above 147. Even here, October the 12th, the market in Quant did not fall below 147. And then we got the test, right? This is where the test occurred into the market in Quant, to where the sellers tried to break 145, but look at where we closed. We closed towards the high of the bar. That was the trigger right here on October the 13th, telling us that the market is still bullish in Quant. The market came and sustained $145. I told you all that as long as that's going to be the case, that Quant was going to go higher. And since October the 13th, check this out. If you would have took that as a signal, and so I'm going to hop into the market now, you are already up 30%. Now at the high of today's price action is 42%. See, even without me telling you all or coming in and doing a video day in and day out on Quant, I left a breadcrumb. I told you all what to look forward to tell you what was going to happen. Now, can we see Quant run up to 250? Is that a new price target that the market is going to try to aim for? Because this is where 250 is. Okay, so this is 250. What do you think? 250? Do you think higher or lower? Because currently we're seeing on the daily price bar that sellers are coming in the market. So we're going to have to do the same talk of what I said on October the 12th. We're going to have to do the same thing. We need to see the next area of support because we are seeing selling, and the selling is going to try to push down the price. We have to recognize that. So the newest support area in Quant is now going to be 160. Okay. Now we're pretty far away from 160 right now. So if you didn't hop on board in Quant on October the 12th, October the 13th, then you might need to wait because this market is massively bullish right now. This is why it's so imperative for us to already be in the move, already here. Okay, so I'm going to revamp these two lines on the chart. We increased or brought higher our support area at 160 now, and then this is the current bullish trend into the market in Quant. Let's see how the market ended in Quant on a weekly time frame. And this is why the market is so massively bullish right now. Look at that. Look at that weekly price bar. Look at how we ended the week. So right now, should we come into the market and see Quant continue right higher? I will say no, because let me show you all that smaller time frame. This is Quant right here on the hourly chart. You guys can see all of this high volume that is coming in, because now we got a lot more market participants coming in. They're seeing the market in Quant move massively higher, 40%. And now you're seeing some people taking profits. This is what's going on. So we literally need to wait again to see how high, or excuse me, not how high, how low the price in Quant is going to go. Okay. So I'm not going to come in and drop in a price prediction, but I'm simply going to kick back and wait. Now, that's one thing why I really wanted to teach you all and show you all how you need to maneuver in the markets. For me, I'm going to wait. Now, I got a couple of areas that we can see buyers come back into the market in Quant. So let me show you all this. This is one area like 195. This is the second area, 187. And definitely this would be like the third area right around here, 180. Okay, so I'm looking at the market buyers at one of these three levels right here. We see the market in quant hold one of these three lines for support. Then yes, we're going to aim for that 250. Now, I may not come in and do a price prediction in time to see the market run up to 250. So keep your eyes open on how low price go. The sooner that we come in and grab buyers, so let's say the buyers come in around 195, the bigger the move higher is going to be. Okay. If we see the market in quant fall below 195 and we come down to 187, the market move higher is going to be a little bit less strong. We come all the way down to 180, the market in quant is going to take a while before it really breaks out and continue to run up to that 250. So we definitely need to keep our eyes open on how low price is going to go. So I'm not going to drop in the price target. I'm going to kick back and wait and let the market tell me where are the buyers. We need to see them. If we don't see them at any of these levels, then we already know that we're going to continue to dip in price in quant. But yeah, it's been a great move. And I know many people who see my videos, my content, have already been bullish in the market in quant. So I'm quite sure that many of you are already sitting good in terms of profitability in quant. So congratulations. Excellent job. This is how you're able to come in and make this bread. So I'm just going to kick back, let the market continue to work in quant, because it's high volume and where we're currently closing into the market in quant is definitely telling me if you're not in the market right now, don't be in a rush. All right, so give me your thoughts. What is your idea? Tell me where do you think quant is going to go? For me, I think in the near term, hourly basis, maybe a day, 2 days, we're going to see the price come down, test a couple of areas of support, rewind this back a little bit so you guys can see where those support areas are going to be that I addressed. And then from that point, if we continue to see the strength in the market in quant, we're going to continue to see that market try to run up to 250. Now, if I don't do a video in time to do another price prediction to see the market run up, you already have an idea as to what you're going to do. Okay, so give me your thoughts though. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.